And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 97. I'll show you another collage, this time with a triangle. We use the triangle tool. And I'll shift when I drag this. I give it a fill, no stroke. And what I do now is to press Ctrl J to copy this layer. And then we have to press Ctrl T or hold Shift when I rotate it. And now we go to View, Show and use Grid. Now we'll reposition the two triangles. And I just want to use one square as a distance between them. Then I select them both by holding Ctrl and clicking on them in the layers menu, and I press Ctrl J to copy both at the same time. I do that again for the bottom row. And now we don't need the grid anymore. So that should be alright. You can obviously use any distance that you want. We've got 8, so we need 8 images. I'll import them here. And once I'm done, I start with the first triangle and the lowest image. I simply right click and then create a clipping mask. And this clips this image to our triangle. I press Ctrl T and then I resize it and use the move tool to reposition it inside of the triangle. And this is what I have to do now for all of these. And we can still adjust the background here using, for example, the paint bucket tool. I can sample color, maybe this yellow one, and use that as a background. So all of that is still possible. And this is how you can create a triangle collage in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.